Okay, I'm out in the country today. Beautiful out here. Hear thousands and thousands of birds over there just moving around. But anyway, I removed the panels from this condensing unit, and you can tell it's never ever been serviced, or the panels have never been removed. Look how dirty it is. This is what it's supposed to look like, fins, but this is amazing. I'm surprised it was doing anything. Look at that. I can almost pull it off like rolling up a rug. That's pretty bad. And, you know, it's going to do this, you know, when it's out by the grass, by fields, driveways. Yeah, you got all the dust of the farm. So anyway, sometimes you got to remove the panels to clean the coils. Sometimes just rinsing it off a little bit doesn't do anything. So, wow, look at that. I mean, it's unreal. I would say that's probably about 80% covered. Tell me in the comments if you agree or not. But 80% covered coil and still working. How about that? I don't think they had any complaints. We're just here to do the maintenance. Anyway, like, subscribe, share the videos. Thanks a lot. I had to brush off all the thick stuff. Now I'm rinsing the coils. And after I rinse the coils, I'm going to spray them down with coil cleaner and rinse them again. Shine them up a little bit. Make them like new. Okay, cleaned it with coil cleaner. It's a little stained from the dirt over time, but if you look, the fins are perfectly clean. So air's traveling through them 100% now. I rinsed off the cage, or the hail guard as they call it. Then I'm gonna wash the unit after I'm done.